Hey guys, welcome back. We're jumping straight in like usual. We're starting off with our eyebrow like hairs and P. Louise 08 to clean up, 00 for base, and then we're jumping in with the More 35B palette, and we're going to use the medium purple. I'm sorry that they don't have shade names. I guess it's kind of obvious. Sorry, not sorry, I guess. Ooh, yikes, talk about hooded. Anyways, I'm going to be doing a half cut crease today, so I'm necessarily going to be taking this shadow that I'm applying into the crease, and I'm just going to drag it out, almost as if I'm making a little tail. Anyways, for a transition color, I'm using my Bright Lights palette from Pinky Rose, and I'm using the color Pop Rock. So guys, this is my ColourPop customizable eyeshadow palette. It's a bunch of single eyeshadows from them, and the colors that I'm actually using here is a mix between Eris and Howling. They're very light purple shades, like so light they almost look pasty white. But anyways, I love these eyeshadows. They're very cheap, or at least when I got them they were very cheap. But ColourPop is actually a very affordable brand and very pigmented. When it comes to blending my crease, and I mean like fully blending my crease after I already added the color in my crease, I added my transitions and everything, I like to use a fluffy brush without any product to blend it out. This is because for some strange reason, and I'm pretty sure y'all all know what I'm talking about, but when you use a brush that has even like the slightest hint of another color and it messes up the color that you're trying to add, and now you just have like this smudgy thing all over your face. Matter of fact, keep watching. If you really pay attention, I technically did it on the other eye. Vaseline. Well, Abilene. Is it Albaline? Shh. Don't correct me. Okay guys, so this is my half cut crease, and I take my P. Louise 00 base. Y'all already know that is my holy grail, facts. And I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm carving it around my eyeball. Now if you guys have not watched any of my other videos to know this, I literally use my eyeball every single time. You wanna know why? Because if you carve it around your eyeball, you will get the perfect shape every single cut crease. Is that not amazing? Okay, well, it's not perfect, but it's hella buildable. Okay, that's for one. Two, necessarily it's actually kind of perfect. You just probably gotta fix up like here and there. It's really up to you. But now I'm gonna take the dark purple, heavy purple. I said medium purple before, heavy purple. I'm gonna take the deep purple shade and I'm gonna work that into the outer corners just so it kind of gives a smoky effect. For my lid, I'm using my Crayon Case Box of Crayons eyeshadow palette. I love how they put eyeshadow like iPhone. And I'm going to be using the shade White, which is a shimmery, kind of silverish white color. It's beautiful. That's one thing I can say about the Crayon Cases products, is that they are very high in pigment. Very high. And they're very silky and soft. So is this shimmer. It's amazing. But necessarily, we're putting the shimmer on our lid before we add our J. LaRue white gold. And we do that because we want to basically add a background before any glitters. Any glitters. Always add a shimmer in somewhat of the same color, or at least a complementary color, under the glitter that you would like to apply to your lid. Now, if you're just adding glitter for like detailing or something, that's a little different. You don't have to do that. But if it's for your lid, definitely I recommend putting something behind it so it doesn't show through the glitter and mess up literally every single picture that you'll take. What I'm doing now is basically making like a negative space swoop. This is going to replace my liner as I fill it with glitter lightly so it still looks like my skin. And I'm doing this with my P. Louise 08. This is this color that I always use to do anything of my complexion. Do not be afraid to clean up your line, ladies. It is okay. Everybody makes mistakes. Nobody is perfect. And take it from me, I am a Virgo. Okay then. I'm pretty sure y'all know what that means. I'm pretty sure y'all know what that means. Okay, so it's glitter time. So basically what I'm doing is I'm going to take the glitter glue and I'm going to apply it to the negative space, and then I'm going to apply King Cake from J. LaRue Cosmetics and a couple of other glitters from, I'm sorry, I don't know which website. They're old sample packs and they don't have the name on it. Real quick guys, this is not super related, but I just wanted to necessarily apologize for my lighting going in and out. I have no idea why it's doing that. Recording has not been the best these past couple of days. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. It is really annoying, I know. Trust me, it gives me a headache. As seen before on TV, let me stop. But anyways, you see that I'm applying them one by one. That's because these are the chunkier type glitters, and to avoid it looking really noisy or messy or cluttering the space up, I like to apply it one by one so I have control over how much glitter is there. For the face, in this order, I'm starting off with my e.l.f. primer. I would recommend using a moisturizer first. Then we're moving on to our foundation. This is also from e.l.f. in Espresso. Highlight brought to you by P. Louise. Contour brought to you by Makeup Revolution. Next, I blend out my contour and then my highlight, yes, in that order, and then I move on to baking from Juvia's Place. Then I'm going to go ahead and use Pop Rock under my eye and just work that right up into my lash line. Add some lashes. These babies are 25mm. I never took me for a 25mm girl, but I am in heaven. Speaking of heaven, Fenty on the lips, Poutsicle. Trust me, I'm going to have all the details below. Add some amethyst stones. So pretty. Add some more stones just because they're pretty. I mean, who doesn't love the stones? More Fenty for the highlight, because, ooh, do you see that? Change my shirt. Oh, my hair. There we go. And now, guys, the amethyst inspired look is finished. Thank you guys so much for staying tuned with me. And please let me know if you need anything. Anything. I got you. Bye. I'm kind of kidding. Hope you know that.